Hello everybody, welcome back to Red Bull Romaniacs 2018. We're now close up on the rocks of the Prologue, trying to get a bit of close-up action. I've just been speaking to some of the silver class riders from Eurotech. That's James Jackson, Will and Joe Westgarth. They'll be out fairly shortly. We'll be getting some footage of them as they go around. We're going to try and live stream that. So we're just watching some of the other guys that are taking part now. This is a bit of a tree trunk log pit, which then sort of goes into the rocks. Quite big boulders here. Some nice skid protection on that bike there with the exhaust and some guard. It's nicely done there. And we've got riders from all around the world. I think this is one of the Australian guys. 528. KTM 6 days. Just go further down here, back towards the logs behind the fencing. Now the rain is starting to come down again, so I don't know how that's going to affect the state of play in terms of filming and keeping the camera equipment dry. Just getting peppered with tyre rubber then.
Sandro Manzoni from Friend Team Auvergne Enduro.
Very easy to trap a leg in here and get hurt.
Big up to all the helpers from the Red Bull Romaniacs event staff. Showing us muscle and helping.
Move further down. Just watch these guys are coming through the tyre section into the log pit.
Startul la clasa silver începând la ora 10. Momentan ne distribuie în familie cu clasa bronz. Number 519
Nice ambient smell of two-stroke now in the atmosphere. A lot of the guys favouring the two-stroke bike to the four-stroke. Two-stroke's running a little bit cooler in the hot temperatures and lighter as well. Generally got a lighter engine.
531.
Four-stroke bikes tend to get a little bit warm when the going gets a little bit slow.
The warm-hearted Icelanders.
We've just got another wave of riders coming through. We'll just move further down now to the water section. Now the rain is holding off a little bit, so I don't think we'll have to take a break yet.
On the tires.
Oh, man down.
534. Alan Gustafsson from the USA for
and another one down.
And man, did he cover it all.
Namki Lee from Korea with the Grenzganger logos on there. Namki travels the world quite extensively. He travelled to Lagares all the way from Korea, driving through Russia, and he's now in Romania. Now, last year Namki was in the iron class. He may have moved up to bronze class this year.
Hopefully, some more prayers come in.
But sporting the Grenzganger logos, which is the company that sponsor Kevin Gallas from Germany, who is the current Super Enduro champion at the moment.
Planning to pass riders on his left. And 541. Morgan Benedict from France, Team AEC. Placa bronze to Kirstin Landman, Romaniacs,
I will just follow Namki through these rocks, and then we'll head down to the water splash.
Back to English, number 533. Harvey Bush, Great Britain, Madcap Racing. Oh, take it easy, man. 542.
I don't know if you can see on the opposite side of the track with the black shirt and the Gibson, that is Peter Schutler from Hard Enduro World. He gets about to all these Hard Enduro events. That is Namki Lee from Korea there, which is now a head back down to the water splash.
Namki from Korea, YP Academy. He didn't ride well last year, pulling either a win or a podium for sure. Namki Lee now is struggling to pull up his motorcycle.
Try and get into this.
Harvey is now here on the big tires.
These guys are just coming from the start area now, through the first tyre section onto these logs, which are floating in water. Like a bit of a bath with the logs in, just to make things a little bit more interesting, keeping it wet.
Number 545, Jan Schippers from the Netherlands, Team Skippy, Veldenmotoren. 546, Fabien Chauffin from Switzerland, Team NC Jura. Thank you, Funky Drop, for providing us the sounds. .539, Jérôme Couture from France, Team Welcome TP.
Going to move further down and just get a look at these guys as they approach this water splash from the opposite side.
Namki from Korea, also in this area.
I don't know if you can see in the distance where the Red Bull Arch is. Riders are coming up onto the top of the podium there, and they're going at 20-second intervals. So you can imagine we've got, I think, 500 riders thereabouts in all taking part in this event. So it just take a little bit of getting through, and the fastest 30 or so, I think, in each class are going through to a final. But the option of taking part is down to them, really. I think for most of these riders, one run will be enough just to get a starting position tomorrow and not have a DNF. This is Kirstin Landman from South Africa. Rider 555. We'll just follow Kirstin. seen Kirstin at a lot of these hard enduro events. We saw her in Lagares.
550.
Just having some issues there, we'll move down.
550 is
Just trying to get out of the way of everybody else's camera work. I'm sure this is not one of Kirstin's favourite parts of the event, but she's having a go, and you've got to take your hat off to her. There aren't many lady riders that you would see here on this type of prologue.
Kirstin Landman from South Africa, Ben Watkins from Australia, and Enrique Saez-Frias from Spain.
Nicely done. We'll just follow Kirstin into the log pit. See how Kirstin gets on with these rocks.
We are waiting for the last riders from the bronze flag to pass the middle of the prologue course. 552. Matt Waters and Great Britain for Desert Rose Racing. Blooming like the Desert Rose here.
That's Kirstin Landman from South Africa on the brother-sponsored KTM. We'd have to move back down now.
From South Africa, big up to
Get some more close-up shots.
she was in the silver class, injured herself, and luckily that she decided to still ride in the bronze class because she wants to finish the Let's wish her the best. How about we give a huge applause to Kirstin Landman? Yeah, Kirstin.
I think what you've got to ask yourself, the guys that are watching at home, would you consider coming here and having a go at the prologue? Well, I'm looking at having a go next year in the iron class, so that's a bit of a statement I'm making, but I'm hoping to be here in the iron class next year, and the training is going to start fairly soon, with me taking part in the Sportsman Championship Extreme rounds in the UK next year as well. That's going to be my preparation towards Romaniacs 2019.
Ben Watkins for Sunday in Australia, and he just likes to lay her track.
That is rider 551 Ben Watkins from Australia on the Husqvarna.
Oh. 557, Enrique Saez-Frias from Spain.
Ben Watkins there. That's it for the moment. Stay tuned for more updates from Red Bull Romaniacs 2018 with Hard Enduro Media.